Great. So we are recording this session. This is module B now. So as I was mentioning to you, module A, we introduced the tense table, and we want to make sure that the tense table is crystal clear to all of you, so that you can start building your own sentences using the tense table. And once you understand that tense table, that will really go a long way in you being independent in terms of understanding and creating your own sentences. Okay, so let's start with a recap of the tense table. So what I want to do is I want you to unmute all of you guys. Just unmute yourselves so that we can go
Yep.
through this tense table together.
Okay.
Great.
You can join from me.
Yeah, great. So I had given you two verbs for the assignment, and I'm glad a few of you did very well. In terms of getting it back. Gunjan, Anisha, Anushka did it on time. Ayush and Arsha also submitted it today. So that's really nice. So what I want to do is I want you guys to go through this tense table now. These are some more verbs that I have kept in the present column. Before that, I want to give you a little tip or maybe a tidbit or a trick so that you understand how we go about making this tense table. Because as I mentioned, that this is the most important thing that we want to do with all our verbs. So for the next week, when we meet for the module C, I want you to keep this in mind, that your main goal should be to think of as many verbs as you can, as you have learned so far, and try to come up with this tense table in your mind as to what will be the tense and how it will be for a future tense in first person, second person, what will be the continuous tense. So I want to give you some tidbits which will help you in coming up with this tense table on your own, right? So as we saw last time, the continuous part, so if you see any verb और उसका जो continuous tense रहेगा, that is very simple. Every time it is always ends with this on. So for example, this first one is chu. Chu means it is a verb. So chu is a verb which means is in Kashmiri. Chu. आज chu Kashmir class. Today is Kashmiri class. So उसका जो past है, so that means yesterday. The class was yesterday. So os. रात os Kashmir class. आज chu Kashmir class. रात os Kashmir class. So we saw last week also in the module A that the continuous tense जो रहता है किसी भी verb का, so that is a very simple one. उसमें क्या है, सिर्फ on रहता है. So that is what I have highlighted on the rightmost side of the slide. You will see continuous में जैसे छु का आता है आसान. हर Saturday छु Kashmir class आसान. The next verb is near, means to leave. Neran. Mevuch panun boy neran. So I saw my brother, he was leaving. So as you can see, I have highlighted the on, the na part. So continuous में आपका trick क्या रहेगा? So the way to come up with this in your own mind, and let's say somebody comes up to you, says, here, this is a new verb in Kashmiri, a simple one. So just make keep it in your mind कि अगर उसका continuous होगा तो उसके पीछे on लगेगा. Now this is just my observation of what I have seen. Maybe in future we will see that some verbs may not have this, but as far as I have seen so far in teaching you guys, because I was telling you in the first introduction, the orientation course also, that this is a learning experience for me also. Along with you guys, I am also learning. So since I am teaching you, I myself am exploring the language. So from what I have seen, the verb जो भी रहेगा उसका जो continuous में हमेशा ये आन आता है. So now जैसे ये है तो उसका आएगा युवान. So now अब खे means, what does खे mean, everybody? खे In Kashmiri, what does it mean? To eat, right? To eat. तो उसका कंटिन्यूअस में क्या आएगा? उसका कंटिन्यूअस में
Khavan.
करेक्ट, खवान. So he is eating. So che means to do what?
Drink.
To drink. तो उसका क्या आएगा कंटिन्यूअस में?
Chavan.
Chavan. Gas means to leave. So gathan, right? So continuous is very easy.
Yeah.
Continuous में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होना चाहिए. आपके जो assigned verbs हैं, for example, जैसे team A है गुंजन का. गुंजन, what was your 2 assigned verbs in the last class? They. तो दीवान, right? To give. तो दे का दीवान आएगा. What was the second one? Second verb? You have 2 verbs, ना? आपका असाइनमेंट में शायद आपने एक ही वर्ब दिया है. I couldn't see the second verb in your assignment. You have submitted only with one verb.
I thought there was only one verb in the
So there were
presentation.
2 slides. Yeah.
Okay.
Anisha, आपका क्या था? 2 verbs. अनिशा, अनुष्का? पक. हाँ, पक. तो पक का पकान, right? तो कंटिन्यूअस में ये इजी आ जाता है. अर्शिया, आयुष, आपका क्या था? 1 verb. What was the verb? Ne. Nivan. What was the another one?
Mar.
Maran.
Maran.
So similarly, you will also see that past participle also, उसका भी मैंने highlight कर रखा है. Mut, right? So in everything you will see mut. So that is another tip for you guys कि जब भी मैं verb देखूं, उसके अगर मुझे past participle निकालना है तो उसका छु ओस्मुत, नेर द्रामुत, ये आमुत, खे का क्या होगा?
Kevmut.
चोमुत. करेक्ट. चे चोमुत. वेरी गुड. गस
Gusmut.
गोमुत. उसको हाँ, उसको गोमुत. It's a little tricky one. गस का गोमुत बोलते हैं. गोमुत. So he has already left. गोमुत, right?
Yeah.
तो ये दो जो हैं चीजें, past participle and continuous, they are very easy. इसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. This should be, you know, once you get the concept कि इसमें past participle में मुत आता है और continuous में आन आता है, then all the verbs should be very easy for you guys. And we'll go through the verbs in the next slide. Now comes the problem is only with the past and the future. ये थोड़ा सा tricky हो जाता है. So here you have to little bit memorize and little bit, you know, there's खासकर past में थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम होता है. फ्यूचर में भी देयर इज अ ट्रिक व्हिच आई हैव मेंशन्ड हियर. जैसे लेट्स गो टू द फ्यूचर वाला अभी. तो जैसे फ्यूचर में फर्स्ट पर्सन है, सेकंड पर्सन है, थर्ड पर्सन एंड कलेक्टिव है, राइट? सो दैट्स व्हाट वी हैव सीन इन द पास्ट टेबल, टेंस टेबल. तो पहले क्या है? फर्स्ट पर्सन में आता है. तो फर्स्ट पर्सन में क्या है? तो हमेशा इसमें ये साउंड आएगा जो आप सुनोगे अभी से, आस. तो ये वाला साउंड जो है, नेर का नेर, ये का इम. सो आस नेर इम. सो दैट्स द फर्स्ट पर्सन वाला साउंड. तो आई विल डू, आई एम गोइंग टू लीव, आई एम गोइंग टू कम. ब इम. ब खे का क्या आएगा? ब खे करेक्ट. ब खेम. तो फर्स्ट पर्सन में हमेशा याद रखो कि जब फ्यूचर में आता है, फ्यूचर में फर्स्ट पर्सन में ये ऐसा वाला साउंड हमेशा वर्ब में आता है. तो ब चैम, आई विल ड्रिंक. ब गस का क्या आएगा? ब गस. वेरी गुड. सो दैट इज व्हाट यू शुड रिमेम्बर कि जो ये फर्स्ट पर्सन का है उसमें ये वाला साउंड आता है. अब जो सेकंड पर्सन में आएगा, जैसे सेकंड स, उसमें हमेशा ये ख एंड में ख आता है. ख. स आसक, स नेरक, स यक, यका यक, स खक बत, स नेरक, स नेरक चक्रस, you will go for a walk. Khek chocolate, you will eat chocolate. Yik pagayor, you will come here tomorrow. yik pagayor. तो खे का क्या आएगा? खे स
Kick.
khek, very good. S khek bat, s khek naan, s khek परौंठ. और चे का क्या आएगा? ड्रिंक. स
Check.
check, very good. S chuck chai, s chuck orange juice. So ये ख हमेशा सेकंड पर्सन में I have observed कि हमेशा verb का ये ख हमेशा एंड में आता है, तो it will give you a understanding of how to go for the second person. अब third person में who, that person, he is not here, you are talking about the third person. So who chuka asi tati, he will be there. Who nere paga dile, he has to leave to Delhi tomorrow. Who nere paga dil, तो ये ई की मात्रा आती है उसमें, ये हमेशा थर्ड पर्सन में आता है. Who ये म्योन घर, he will come to my house. तो खे का क्या आएगा? Who dash
K.
बत, who
K.
खेये, very good. Who खेये बत, who खेये syun, he will have some syun, some sabzi or some meat, sabzi, whatever, you know, we eat with bata. So who खेये, तो चे who चे चाहिए, very good. Who चाहिए मोगल चाय, who चाहिए लिप्टन चाय, who चाहिए शीर चाय. Guts का gutsy, very good. Who gutsy paga mandar, he will go to temple tomorrow. Who gutsy paga cricket match whichne, he will go to cricket match tomorrow. Who gutsy, so that is the third person में future. तो आस आसक गच्छे, तो ये ख और सी, तो ये वर्ब से आपको कैसे फ्यूचर में फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन कैसे बनाना है, दिस विल टेल यू. एंड फॉर द कलेक्टिव में हम सब मिलके कुछ काम करेंगे एज अ वर्ब, तो उसमें क्या आएगा? ये व का साउंड आता है पीछे, जैसे छु आसव, नेर नेरो, अस नेरो पगा दिले, अस यमो तुहुंद घर. So we will all come together to your house. अस खेका क्या आएगा?
Hemav.
Very good. अस खेमाओ मीलित बत, अस खेमो मीलित वाजवान, we will eat together, we will have वाजवान. अस खेमो मीलित साल, we will together have a साल at somebody's house. चे का क्या आएगा? Together, collective में. चमाओ, very good. अस ask you, तो ये चे वो चाय, अस चमाओ शीर चाय, we will all have together शीर चाय. अस चमाओ juice, अस coffee. Guts का वल्यो पक्यो, अस गथो school, वल्यो पक्यो, अस गथो cinema hall, let us go to a cinema hall. वल्यो पक्यो, अस गथो hotel. So we will all together go. Understood? Right? So this is the trick.
Yeah.
This is the trick for this tense table. This tense table, as I mentioned to you, is the most important thing that I want you guys to come up with all the tenses. जो भी मैंने last time आपको जो assignment दिया था, उसमें we had tenses for each team. So go through that tense, जो verbs हैं. Now instead of sticking to your team, because there were 2 slides, 2 words per team. Now in this week, what I want you guys to do is go through that those 2 slides and go through the verbs in those, for irrespective of the team name, it doesn't matter. Now pick all the verbs in those slides and try to come up with these future and past participle and continuous in your own way. Okay. Any questions so far?
Dad?
Yeah.
How can we, is there a trick for knowing the past tense of each word?
Past में ज़्यादा trick नहीं है. It is not, there's not much of a trick. It's just that you have to remember it a little bit. In some words, it becomes easy, like the words I had given you last week. It was easy to come up with the past for that. But these words, I purposely took these words in this slide because यहाँ पे जो word past है, it is a little different than the actual verb. This is chu.
Yeah.
Chu is not intuitively you will think that the past will also start with ch, but it doesn't start with that. It is the os. Chu is os. Ner, it doesn't start with na. It is a drav. So it's a little tricky. These verbs are a little tricky, but the verbs that I had given you in the last two slides for the assignment for the module A, those should be easy to come up with. But you just can get help from your elders in the house, your mom, dad. Just try to come up with it on your own first, and then get the help from your elders. Any questions?
No.
Is it clear so far?
Yes.
Yes. So we have gone through the tense table. And now we want to go through the mono words. These are the easy words, the easiest words in the Kashmiri language. So yeah, I want to show you guys. Yeah, I'm sure you all know all these words, but I just want to keep it there because they are used a lot. Everywhere they are used. Ah, yes, na, no, ma, don't, t means and, ti means also, ti means that, you're pointing to something. So Toshu Ware, somebody asks you, Toshu Ware, are you fine? An mara Ware. So this this sound which means yes, is a universal word, and it is used a lot, and it's really helpful. So remember this. So ये काफी sentences में use होगा. Na mechu na kyun, na bugas na tor, na bugas na. So na is no. Ma ka tala. You must have heard. Hai tala. They'll say tale or talai. Talai or tala means a hailing. Somebody is calling you. Hey, calling you out. Hai tala makar. Makar ye. Maikar. Tala maikar. Deep watching TV. So let me watch TV. Don't do this. Keep quiet. Makar. Humakar. Yimakar. Don't do that. Don't do this. Yep. So that is what it means. Ma. Then t. Mas t. Pof. T means and. Mechukyun bat t soon. I want to eat bat and soon. B tusu. I and he. Buttusu gatho paga film buchne. We will go to a movie tomorrow. But who? But myon boy. But myon beni. Gati paga film buchne. So that is and. Ti. Ti means also. Butye osus gomut. I had also gone. Sutti dime. Give that to me also. Yitti dime. Sutti dime. I want this also, and I want that also. So ti. Ti is another mono word. Ti. Ti is a pointing. You're pointing to something. Ti. Ti one mai. So somebody says, somebody tells you it is raining outside. It should never should. Rood Tevan. You said, yes. Ti one mai. That's what I told you. Yeah, I told you. You're pointing it out. Ti. So these words are mono words. So they are very important. काफी जगह पे use होते हैं. Most of you are already aware of these. So you can use these as well in your languages. I see Muskan has just joined us. Muskan, we have gone through the tense table, which we went through last in the module A, and I just gave them some tips on the on that tense table. So that's what we have done so far. Any questions, guys, so far till now?
No.
No.
No doubts.
Sure. So let's move on. Now let's go through some examples. Okay. So what is this? What does it say? The first sentence. Now let's go one by one. Muskan, can you tell me what is this first sentence? What does it mean? Paga yimatele. So this is an example of those mono words. We are using those mono words now. Paga yimatele. So what does it mean? Muskan, I think you are muted. Guys, unmute yourselves. Everybody unmute yourselves, because we'll be going through these sentences now. I think Muskan is not able to hear me probably. Okay, Ayush, can you do the first one? What does it mean? A paga yimtele. A paga yim. What does that mean? Paga means
Tomorrow.
tomorrow. Very good. A paga yim. What does that mean? Yima. Yima means I will
To
come.
come.
Correct. I will come till. This probably. I will come probably tomorrow. So you are asking permission. Teliyambu paga. Teli. Teli means yeah. Then I will come. Then I will come tomorrow. Paga yim teli. Anushka and
Yes.
Isha. Now do the
Yes.
can you do the second sentence?
No, मैं चुनना खुश करान.
Correct.
So-
What does that mean?
No, I don't. That does not make me happy.
Yeah,
I
na
don't
na.
like-
I
Correct.
don't like it.
Very good, very good. Na means na. That is the mono word we were talking about. Na me chun
Yeah.
khosh karan. Now
Khosh karan.
this is an important distinction here between. There are two n's here. Na me chun khosh karan. So there are two n's. Na and n. Na and n. Can you all say these two words?
No. No.
Na and n. 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 N.
No.
न करेक्ट.
No.
ये न है और न के बाद अ की साउंड आती है उसमें. न में चुन खुश करान.
No. No.
करेक्ट. सो दिस इज अ वेरी
खुश
टिपिकल
करान.
कश्मीरी साउंड. कश्मीरी वर्ड्स का साउंड है ये टिपिकल. न में चुन खुश करान. गॉट इट? Gunjan, can you do the third one?
Yep.
Tell the Makkar, please don't do this.
Correct. Tala makar. So if you're
Tala.
telling this to a person, a male person, right? A pulling, जिसको pulling बोलते हैं हिंदी में. तो अगर स्त्रीलिंग में मुझे करना हो, if you are a lady, if somebody is a lady, तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? तला.
Tell them Makkar.
तलय. करेक्ट. तो तला का उसका
तलय
फेमिनाइन आएगा तलय. तलय. तो इसे तलय मकर. तला मकर. Very good. Arsha, can you do the fourth one?
Yeah.
Can you do the fourth sentence?
Mayanya master folk.
Myan master pop.
My what's
Masi.
is Mars flesh?
Huh?
Is Mars flesh?
No. Mas is Masi. अपनी मम्मी की sister. Mas.
Oh.
मासी बोलते हैं ना.
So mommy ki sister and her husband.
And no, not her husband.
Uncle,
Master Pop.
uncle.
I know, but then I don't know what that's called in English.
No, not uncle. This is Pop. Pop means your
Bua.
Buaji. So
Father's
your
mother.
Masi ji and your Buaji.
Sorry.
Your mom's sister, your mom's sister and your father's sister.
And your
Myan-
father's sister.
Correct. Your Myan, Malay means mine, Mas, Pop.
Together.
Here we have used the mono word Mas, Masi, Pop, Pufi. My Masi and Pufi. Yeah. And Anushka and Isha together, can you do the fifth one?
Fifth.
Uncle,
I didn't
one
get to do.
question for the previous sentence.
Yeah.
Pof is Fufaji. Then what is Bua in Kashmiri?
No. Pof is not Fufaji. Pof is your, they are both, striling. So Mas is your mom's sister and Pof is your father's sister. and
Okay,
you
so
have, you have to
puff
you
is
have to
bua.
add an u. For a male, you have to add an u. So Masu and Pofu. That is, Masu is Masi's husband,
Okay.
and Pofu is Pofi's husband.
Okay, thank you.
Masu to Pofu. Mas is lady and Pof is also lady. Mom, sister, and father. Anushka and Isha, fifth sentence.
Pagati Gindav cricket.
Correct.
Like tomorrow also we will play cricket.
Very good. Very good. Pagati Gindav cricket. So we are using the mono word th. Now Gunjan and Ayush together can say the last one. Gunjan.
Tichasai Vanan Torya Fikri.
Ti. Correct. Ti. So you are pointing it out. The last mono word tha ti. Ti chasai vanan. Torya Fikri.
That's what I'm saying.
Correct.
Torya Fikri, you will understand.
Fikri. So did you understand? Torya Fikri.
मतलब understand.
So
Torya
Torya.
Fikri मतलब understand.
Did you? Torya means did you understand? Fikri means Torya Fikri. But this is
He is saying
for a pulling. Yeah, this is a male gender. तो अगर female gender में तो उसको कैसे बोलेंगे? Torya Fikri. Torya Fikri is a male gender, and Torya Fikri, if you're telling to a girl, Ti Chasai Vanan, and this is a lady who is saying it because the gender is Chasai. अगर ये gender male होता तो बोलता Ti Chusai Vanan. Torya Fikri. Chusai and Chasai.
Okay.
Chusai means male gender and Chasai is a female. उसी तरह Torya is a male gender and Torya is a female gender. Understood these sentences?
Yes.
Very good.
yeah.
So I think our meeting might be ending soon. I just want to go quickly through this last slide which I have. These are the subject pronouns. Okay, respectful subject pronouns. जैसे हमने अभी तक क्या किया, हमने बोला ब and फिर बोला च. च क्या होता है? च is थोड़ा casual में बोलते हैं. If you are talking to a younger person or somebody who is younger to you, but if you're talking
A friend.
Correct. If you're talking to somebody
Someone who you know.
you want to be more respectful, like your Dadaji or your Nanaji or your Dadi or your Uncle Ji or your Pupaji, or who is more, you want to be more respectful in your conversation. So that's when you use these subject pronouns, respectful. उसमें b तो है ही, उसमें there's nothing, no change. And you, instead of s, you say toy. Instead of who, हम पहले क्या बोलते थे? who. जैसे हमने tense table में क्या किया? who. If you want to be more respectful, then you say yim. Yim Chivanan. Hu Chuvanan is a friend. Hu Chuvanan. If he is more respectful, elder, Yim Chivanan. Yim Chaamitior, he has come here. Yim Gathantor, he will go there. And it is both gender. It's gender neutral. Yim is both gender, him or her. Us, we already know this. Us means we. And sim is they. Okay, and so that is the respectful pronouns. And now comes the part for assignment. Use the assigned verbs and the tense table and the subject pronouns to come up with these 10 simple sentences. So जैसे आपको मैंने last time ये दिए थे verbs. These are according to team, but now don't worry about the teams. You can pick any verb, any subject pronoun, respectful or casual, and make 10 sentences using these two slides. This is one slide and this is another slide. Both the slides have verbs. So you can use the respectful pronouns or the casual pronouns, subject pronouns, and come up with 10 sentences, preferably using the tense table. कुछ आप future में बना सकते हो, कुछ continuous में बना लो, कुछ past participle में बना लो, so that you can use that. Is the assignment clear to everybody?
Yes.
Great. So take help of your parents if you want to do it, but just try on your own first, because If you make your own sentences and then you go to your parents, it will make them more happy. They'll feel that, yeah, you're learning something. You're learning some Kashmiri. At least you're getting some understanding of the thing. So that ends our session for today. Are there any questions?
No.
Great. So this session might end soon. I hope you guys are liking these 2 sessions so far.
Yes.
Yeah, so we'll be having 3 more sessions after today, module C, D, and E, and then we will see how you guys proceed and how you guys are understanding. But I think I'm getting a feel that a lot of you, most of you are already getting the understanding of the tenses, because that is the most important thing, as I mentioned. So just make sure that you spend more time on the tense table. Try to use the tricks which I have told you today, and try to come up with the tenses on your own. And if you have any questions or any doubts, try to talk to your parents or elders, or if you can also talk to me if you guys want to at any point of time. Yeah. So I'll be posting the videos and the slides and the assignments on Classroom, and you guys can finish it off before the next class on next Saturday. Okay.
Yep. Thanks, Dad.
Okay. Bye bye. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you.
Bye.